Today we're in Pembroke Pines on the west side, and just across the 75, we have the Salsa Fiesta Grill. And so today we're gonna check it out and make sure we give you a quick review of what's going on the inside of the Salsa Fiesta Grill in Pembroke Pines. Gonna taste the food. I'm gonna let you know what's going on the inside. All right.
Pop-up lunch day at the Salsa Fiesta Urban Grille. Nice place, love the decor. Very rustic, yet with a modern touch. And so far the presentation of the meal is pretty awesome. I ordered the Mexican tacos. This is a fish taco. What did you get?
The double chicken bowl.
Double chicken bowl. Now what kind of taco is this again?
Baja fish.
And this is some tamarind drink. Yes. And we have some niceties in here. Not there, wherever it is, somewhere.
On Pines Boulevard West, just off the I-75, in the Whole Foods Plaza, you find the Salsa Fiesta Grill. And I promise you guys, our first time eating here, we just decided to pop in for a quick lunch, and we were 100% pleased. The food was very good. The service was excellent. They treated us like we were, the biggest spenders in the restaurant. The food was fast. We had our order maybe 10 minutes after we sat down. We love the sauces that they have at the fresh sauce or salsa bar. The black bean was hot. The meal was just good. It was presented nicely, and I love the hot tamale sauce.
I ordered Baja fish taco, but I ordered black beans on the side so I can add it because I just like black beans with everything. And then you have to add that little zing.
Ooh, Baba Biba. It's good?
Good. Very good.
Do the finger thumb up again.
Chicken powder.
This? What's it called again? The hot tamale sauce is very good. Trust me, this very good.
What does it taste like? And surprisingly, it's not hot. I don't know how they came about with the name hot tamale, but it's not hot at all.
It's almost like a thin hummus.
Okay.
A very thin, spicy hummus. Very nice.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, we're good. And to top off our awesome lunch, we were pleasantly surprised when one of the owners of the Salsa Fiesta Grill came over and had a conversation. And this one is a super hot one.
Yeah, we call it mucho caliente. It's roasted habaneros in it. It's made in house. Every sauce we have is made in house.
It's made here.
Everything. It's from scratch.
Awesome.
Like no additive, no chemical. This is all made in house as well.
Man, this, just take my recommendation. You need to bottle this.
Here we have it. Just done it.
Thank you so much. Yeah, twice right. Yep. This is great. But this You need to bottle this and sell this. This needs to be sold by itself.
We've tried in the past. The problem is when we get to a supplier to like mass produce it, we have to have a shelf life of 90 days.
They want preservatives in it.
And we're not into it.
Well,
it dies in 5
what
days.
you have right there is good, and maybe you could do a cold room or like a little chill fridge, and then you have that so people could just grab it and pick it up, and then you would control your shelf life. Because I would buy this just to go home and do it yourself. It's really that good.
Thank you.
And with everybody doing healthy foods nowadays.
Exactly. Yeah, but, and it's it's healthy. It has no mayo in it, no cheese, which makes it better.
The thing is, what I love about this is that your ingredients are no different from what we use. You just present them in a little bit different way.
Yeah.
We do, these are plantains in Jamaica, plantains.
Yeah.
All right? Chicken bowl, chicken and rice, The tacos may be the only thing that Jamaicans don't generally use. But it's really nice.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I appreciate
you guys coming in today and enjoy it. Let me know if you need anything else.
No, we're good. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
All right, thank you.
These are very good. Regular plantain, fried real thin, crispy, see that? And then just add some garlic, cilantro, mayo.
You notice what we're not eating?
Well,
That's crazy. How come we're not eating guacamole?
guacamole is for beginners.
Really no. I'm a beginner. So we just got done eating and I'm super impressed with this place, and I think we made a good choice, deciding to get inside and to try it.
I get a menu.
Yeah.
So I have to come back.
One of the most important things about the place, wouldn't you agree, is the customer service and how personable the ownership was to actually come out to talk to us.
Yeah, that was awesome.
And made us feel as if we were regulars.
We're special guests.
And this big man here, so because in big the city, we even got complimentary stuff. So yeah, the Belly TV Lodge.
But you know what is nice about it is that it's not intimidating. It's regular food, but they spend a lot of time on quality.
Right, it was pretty fresh.
Yeah,
like you could taste the freshness.
Right, and it never pretentious. You never get no excess salt, and even the drink. We get some tambourine drink, no sugar.
No sugar. Okay.
Just tambourine and water. They take people for idiot. But you feel like you eat good food. You feel like you eat quality food, and you feel very, very satisfied when you're done. So that's it, guys. A quick look out and about in South Florida, and we enjoyed ourselves at the Salsa Fiesta Grill. I highly recommend it. If you are out in South Florida in the Pembroke Pines area, get on over there and let them know Yardie Belly TV recommended that you come, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy yourself. The food was great, the ambiance was excellent, service was beautiful. Yeah, one more time, join us again when we're out and about visiting again in SoFlo.